Luna Classic rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Luna Classic yesterday, we did see a very nice breakout opportunity above this 18 resistance level, but immediately after we started to see multiple rejection candlesticks. I mentioned the fact that holding the 18 level as support is going to be a very important play, and yesterday you can see that we actually did manage to have a nice hold over in the 4-hour range, and immediately after we saw a strong breakdown formation. This of course was a very bearish analysis, and I mentioned to you guys what we don't want to see is a fake out situation where we actually see a clean break opportunity above immediately after reject and start pushing towards our 14 support level. As of right now though, you can see that of course volume is starting to come into the market. Even though it is weak in volume, we still have to keep in mind that of course during the weekend we tend to see massive manipulation. But for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, you guys already knew we were looking for a beautiful pullback across the board because of the break of the major support levels. As of right now though, looking at the 14 support level from previous price analysis, you can see that we've already tested this level twice, and now this is going to become the third test opportunity. From the bullish case scenario, the last line of defense the bulls really have is right here on this 16 support. Any clean break below the 16 support level would mean the fact that we are ready to continue pushing on lower. And of course, for those of you wondering, in terms of a bullish case scenario, whether there will be a continuation or not, I mentioned the fact that as long as we hold above the 18 support, we could be looking for a nice breakout over to 22. This range has become extremely choppy, and it tends to be choppy during larger consolidation zones, but the only difference is the fact that from previous price analysis during this consolidation, we actually used the exponential moving averages as support, and then we saw the breakout. Right now, zooming into the chart, you can see that we are not using the same sort of factor. We are actually consolidating with the EMAs, and as of right now they are starting to push lower and lower. As you guys already know, the more times a support level is tested with the exponential moving averages being used as resistance, 9 out of 10 times we see a breakdown formation. And also on the hourly, you can see that yesterday's BART formation played out almost perfectly. We do have somewhat of a bullish case as long as I said we hold above the 16 support level, but any clean break below this level while retesting the 18 as resistance is our confirmation to start looking for shorting positions. In terms of the daily time frame, you can see that although yesterday we had a very strong bullish engulfing candle, we immediately got rejected by two bearish candlesticks pushing back to the downside. Of course, on the daily, as long as we can hold above the EMAs, we can continue looking for up ranges. But because of the fact that we see these multiple rejection candlesticks while we test our major resistance point, this is not a bullish indicator. The reason I say that is, of course, when you're looking for a breakout opportunity, you want to see some clean price action. Looking from this level right over here, you can see that we saw multiple clean push areas of the support immediately after with some strong bullish engulfing candles. You can see that once we actually broke above the resistance level, we didn't really see that choppy range like we're seeing right now. We saw a very clean break above followed by a nice pullback and that continuation, but looking at the current price action, we are not seeing the same sort of situation, but instead we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks, and this could of course be a massive fake out opportunity. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.